In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a proxy for AnyDesk step by step, so you can connect more securely and make sure your remote access is routed the right way. If you work in a business network, use a restricted internet connection, or your administrator has given you proxy details, this tutorial will walk you through the exact settings you need. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Before we get started, you'll want to gather your proxy details first. This usually comes from your network administrator or your proxy provider. You need three important pieces of information: the proxy server address, the port number, and the proxy type, which will usually be either HTTP or SOCKS. Having these details ready will make the setup process much faster and help you avoid mistakes. Now open AnyDesk on your computer. Once the app is running, look toward the top of the window and click the menu icon. This is the icon with three horizontal lines, and it opens the main options for the program. From that menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings window, look at the left-hand panel and click Connection. This is where AnyDesk keeps the network-related options, including proxy configuration. If you notice that the connection settings are locked, don't worry. Just click Unlock and confirm the prompt so you can make changes. This step is important because AnyDesk sometimes protects these settings to prevent accidental edits. Once the settings are unlocked, scroll down until you find the HTTP proxy section. Here, choose Manual Proxy Setup. This tells AnyDesk that you want to enter your own proxy information instead of using automatic detection. After selecting Manual Setup, open the Protocol drop-down menu and choose the correct proxy type. If your network uses HTTP, select HTTP. If your network uses SOCKS, select SOCKS. If you're not sure which one is correct, it's always best to check with your network administrator before moving forward. Next, enter your proxy server details carefully. In the proxy server address field, type the host name or IP address of the proxy server. Then enter the correct port number. Take a moment to double-check both values because even a small typo can stop the connection from working properly. If everything looks correct, move on to the authentication options. If your proxy does not require a username and password, select No Authentication Required. Then click Apply to save your changes. If your proxy does require authentication, click Set Up Username and Password. Enter the credentials provided by your administrator or proxy service, and then click Apply again to confirm the setup. Once you apply the settings, AnyDesk should begin using the proxy configuration you entered. At this point, it's a good idea to test your connection and make sure AnyDesk can connect normally. If something isn't working, go back and check the proxy address, port, protocol, and authentication details one more time. In most cases, issues come from one incorrect setting, so a careful review usually fixes the problem quickly. And that's it, you've now learned how to set up a proxy for AnyDesk. This is a useful skill whether you're working in an office environment, using a corporate network, or just need to route your connection through a specific proxy server. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.